Welcome back to part 2 of our AI Showdown. If you missed part 1, we tested ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek in categories like math, translation, general knowledge, and even deep ethical debates. Some AI models impressed, while others, well, let's just say they had a rough time. If you haven't seen the previous video yet, click the I button at the top to check it out. But today, we're moving beyond words and numbers. AI is evolving fast, but can it truly understand and interpret the world visually? Can it recognize colors, emotions, objects, and patterns, or will it struggle outside of text-based tasks? Let's dive in and find out. How well do these AIs handle images, colors, and perception-based tasks? These tests measure how effectively each model interprets visual elements and extracts meaningful insights. I uploaded 3 different images and asked a question about each. Question 1. A complete failure. All AI models struggled to count items in the image, scoring 0. Question 2. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot correctly identified object colors, scoring nearly perfect. For question 3. 3 AIs successfully captured 80% of the mood in the image and provided reasonable descriptions. Overall, this section was particularly challenging for DeepSeek, which struggled significantly with image analysis. While all AIs had difficulty with object counting, ChatGPT and Gemini excelled at describing moods and colors. AI should handle sensitive topics with fairness and neutrality. This section evaluated whether the AI responses were unbiased, well-reasoned, and capable of engaging in difficult discussions without avoidance or prejudice. All AI models performed well, demonstrating balanced and thoughtful answers. However, on the final day, DeepSeek encountered its recurring server busy issue, affecting its consistency. ChatGPT and Gemini tie for first place in this category, handling sensitive discussions with neutrality and depth. Speaking of fairness, how do these AIs evaluate themselves? Can they recognize their own strengths and weaknesses? Initially, Gemini didn't acknowledge its struggles, but on later days, it provided clearer self-assessments. Overall, all AI models performed well, though Gemini occasionally struggled with memory retention. ChatGPT, Copilot, and DeepSeek demonstrated more consistency. Once again, Copilot takes the lead, while Gemini occasionally fails to recognize its own. Can these AIs summarize complex information accurately and concisely? These tests examine their ability to extract key details, filter out unnecessary information, and deliver clear, concise summaries. Overall, all models performed well. However, Gemini made a notable mistake when asked if an article mentioned Alexa. It incorrectly said no when the correct answer was yes. For summarizing YouTube videos, Gemini is the clear winner, leveraging Google's advantages. Copilot tries but sometimes misses key details, while ChatGPT and DeepSeek, they're not even in the race. YouTube summarization. ChatGPT and Copilot do well with web pages, but DeepSeek falls short due to server issues. A simple yet essential test. Do these AIs know what day and time it is? ChatGPT got the date right but required a time zone input for accuracy. Gemini and Copilot nailed it on the first try. No extra prompts needed. DeepSeek, still stuck in the past. It seriously needs to catch up. Gemini and Copilot get it right on the first try. ChatGPT needs a time zone input, while DeepSeek is lost in time. Accuracy is one thing, but speed matters too. Which AI responds the fastest? Most AIs performed at a reasonable speed, but DeepSeek was the exception. When it worked, it kept up. But more often than not, it took nearly a full minute to respond. And let's not forget its favorite response. Gemini is the fastest. ChatGPT and Copilot are solid, while DeepSeek is painfully slow and unreliable. After all these challenges, how do these AIs react when they see their rankings? All models generally accepted their reviews. But Gemini had a funny moment when it stated, "You did not compare me. You compared ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Wait, what? Gemini, you are in the comparison." That was both confusing and hilarious. ChatGPT and Copilot handled criticism well, but Gemini had a humorous moment of confusion. After testing ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek with 40 carefully selected questions, the results speak for themselves. Some AI models excel, while others have a lot of catching up to do. From math and language translation to real-time awareness, ethical reasoning, and content summarization, this showdown highlights which AI is the most reliable and which one still needs improvement. After putting these AI models through a series of tests, the final scores are in. ChatGPT takes the top spot with 4.33 points. It proved to be the most well-rounded performer, handling various tasks with consistency and accuracy. Copilot comes in second with 4.25 points. It showed strong logic and reasoning skills, making it a solid competitor. Gemini lands in third place with 4.05 points. While it excels in translation, it struggles with memory, which held it back from ranking higher. DeepSeek, unfortunately, falls short with just 2.50 points. Too many failures made it difficult to compete with the others. What do you think of these rankings? Do you agree with the results? Let me know in the comments below. While DeepSeek shows promise in math, it falls short in nearly every other category. Fails in current events. Unlike ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot, DeepSeek's knowledge is outdated. Unreliable and slow, takes up to a minute to respond and frequently encounters server errors. Strong in math, the only area where it performs well. Poor at image tasks, lacks image generation and analysis capabilities. DeepSeek needs significant upgrades in speed, real-time knowledge, and overall reliability before it can truly compete. At this stage, it's simply not a practical choice. But AI is constantly evolving. Will DeepSeek improve? Will Gemini fix its memory issues? Will a new AI rise to the top? Let me know in the comments which AI impressed you the most. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI showdowns. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.